If you've ever uploaded a resume to LinkedIn and later decided you want it removed, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your resume from LinkedIn quickly and safely, so you can keep your profile clean and manage your application data with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your LinkedIn account and go to the home page. At the top of the page, you'll see a row of icons and menu options. Look for the Jobs icon and click it. This is where LinkedIn keeps your job search tools, preferences, and application-related settings. Once you're inside the Jobs section, look for the Preferences option. Click Preferences to open your job-seeking settings. This area controls the information LinkedIn uses when you apply for jobs, including your resume uploads and application data. Now, scroll through the Preferences area until you find the section labeled My Qualifications. Under that section, you should see an option called Resume and Application Data. Click on Resume and Application Data to open the list of files and information LinkedIn has saved for your applications. Here, LinkedIn will show any resumes you've uploaded. Find the resume file you want to remove. Next to that file, you should see 3 dots, which usually means more options. Click those 3 dots to open the menu for that resume. From the menu, click Delete. LinkedIn may ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure you're deleting the correct file before you continue. Once you confirm, the resume will be removed from your LinkedIn saved application data. And that's it. Your resume is now deleted from LinkedIn. This is a really useful step if you uploaded an older version, want to replace it with a more updated resume later, or simply want to reduce the amount of personal data stored on your account. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I post helpful guides that make confusing settings and features easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.